Welcome back to Alita Cooks. Today I bring you a ham spread, something that we made for birthday parties when I was growing up. It's a Cuban thing, you know. You're gonna need a ham steak, cream cheese softened, room temperature, mayonnaise, and red pimientos. So we're gonna take the ham steak and once again trim off all the fat, just like we did with the croquette recipe. Cut it up in chunks, put it in the chopper, and finely chop it. Then we're going to add the juice of the pimientos into the softened cream cheese. We're going to mash that up in a little bit. Add the pimientos to the ham as you see, and chop it up together with the ham one more time. We're going to mash up the cream cheese with the juice of the pimiento and add to that 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I ended up adding another tablespoon at the end because the paste was a little bit too thick for me, but that's up to you. Then once we mash up all that together, making sure we crush down all the cream cheese, we're going to add the ham and fold it in and create a nice paste. And this paste you're going to use with crackers, potato rolls, dinner rolls, or even white sandwich bread with the edges cut off and cut into triangles, just like when you were a kid. I hope you're enjoying my recipes. Please subscribe. Remember to hit that notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much and have a great day.